welcome to my channel. So today we will make a small cute DIY Father's Day gift. For this all we need is a small box, in which creams come or anything, and after that we will cut 5 equal size sheets of the same color and one white sheet. We will paste the white sheet on the top of the box. Yeah, like this. Paste it firmly, and after that paste the remaining sheets or the cutouts on all the other sides of the box. Press it lightly so it do not get away. Then we will take the last cutout and fold it into halves and cut it. It's a very simple DIY thing which anyone can make. So I'm sure you will absolutely try this Father's Day. Now we will paste it. We have folded it from the edges to make it look like a shirt. After that, I am going to add a small tie so as to give it more appearance as a shirt. Looks good, huh? Okay, it's done. Now इसकी शान बढ़ाने के लिए we will add 2 more buttons. Cutie. Now let's decorate the sides. For this we will take a white sheet of paper, cutout of paper, and mark 5 equal points on it. We will cut it in the form of stripes to decorate the sides of the box. Yeah, gather them all. You will need 12 stripes for this. We will paste them like this. Yeah, it's done. Now you can decorate the inside of the box with any of the stuffs, super dad or anything you like. You can put a gift inside it, and I will also do a tutorial how to do it. Stay tuned.